Hello guys, today I want to give you a quick tip how to debug collections if you have a chain of collection methods. And probably collection chains is the most obvious benefit of using the collections instead of arrays, so you may have something like this. This is quite an artificial example, but a pretty typical one how you can use the collections. So you have query from the database, selecting something, and then you have filter of the record by some condition, and then you want to return that in different formats, so you map through all those records, perform some operation, then maybe you need unique, and then you dd, dump and die the result. In my case, I have 10 users in the database, fake users, and I want to know what are the domain names of those emails with example.org, .net, or .com. And I want to filter the different ones. Maybe it's not the best way to do that, maybe I can use database query directly, but I wanted to show the collection debugging. So what if you want to know not only the last result, but also what were the results at this point, and at this point. So if we load the page now, we have the final result, .org, .com, and .net, so 3 items as array. But what were the results before this filter from the database? What were the results after this filter, after this map? The trick here is that after every step you can run dump. So for example, let's do get dump, then filter dump, and then map dump, and then finally it's dd, it's dump and die. And now if we refresh the page, let's see what happens. We have the first array of 9 users, which means we have 9 users here. I thought it was 10, it's actually 9. Okay, 9 users, we dump. Then we filter only those that contain @example, and the result is 7 items. Then we map through them and return only the domain names with explode feature of PHP, and the result is also 7 items, but those are domains only. And then we do unique and do final dump of the results. So this is just a quick tip for you how to debug collection operations if you have the chain of them and want to see their values at every point of the chain. That's it, a quick tip. So this channel is full of quick tips about Laravel and Eloquent and collections and all of that. If you want longer videos, diving much deeper, I have a lot of courses on laraveldailyteachable.com, currently 30 courses. The latest ones are about inertia and about, for example, Vue 3 as SPA, Alpine.js, Livewire, refactoring examples, you name it. Each course usually costs $29 plus taxes if that applies to you, and the best deal to get everything is yearly membership to get all the courses and everything I will release for a year ahead. The next one in the list is multi-tenancy course, which may be actually already released by the time you're watching this video. So subscribe to yearly membership to also support this YouTube channel so I can continue shooting free tips for you on YouTube. See you guys in other videos.